We've come to Paris, the city of light, a place where every heartbeat feels like art.
They say Paris was built around a dream, and at its heart stands the Eiffel Tower, iron and light, woven together like poetry in steel. As dawn breaks, the city wakes slowly, wrapped in golden mist, and the tower rises to greet the sun, proud, calm, eternal. Beneath her shadow, time drifts to another rhythm. The Louvre breathes, its glass pyramid reflecting 1,000 years of stories. Inside, art whispers louder than the noise of the world outside. The smile of Mona Lisa, the marble gods, the brushstrokes of souls long gone, all still alive, still watching. Across the river, the bells of Notre-Dame echo through the air. She has seen fire and rain, kings and wars, prayers and silence. Yet still she stands, scarred but unbroken. Her heart beats not in stone, but in the faith of those who look up to her. The streets begin to hum again. Down the Champs-Élysées, the rhythm of Paris moves like a song. The Arc de Triomphe glows beneath the fading sky, a monument not just to victory, but to memory. Every step here carries the weight of love, courage, and time. Lovers walk slowly. The city glows again, not from lights, but from dreams. Because Paris never sleeps, it only dreams, endlessly, beautifully, forever.